Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my eyebrow tutorial. It's very easy, simple, very natural, and anybody can do this. I got a request to do an eyebrow tutorial, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And if you are interested in how I do my brows, keep on watching. So first I start by grabbing this eyebrow brush. I just brush through my brows straight up and then to the side. And I don't get my eyebrows arched or threaded or waxed or threaded. So I kind of shape my brow new every time. Not new, I try to stick to the same shape. I do pluck my brows sometimes. And then I'll like shave underneath here just to make it look more clean. I grab my Kiss top brow in the color chocolate. See that? Yeah. And then I get my angle brush. You don't want to start directly here. So I start kind of like the middle towards the end. And I start at the bottom. And it's just light strokes filling in my brow. And you want it to be darker, excuse me, at the end here, and then lighter going up here. So I kind of like a straight arch. Well, not even really arch. I like my brows to look kind of straight. So I'm not doing too much of an arch. If I want to add more of an arch to my brow, I'll do it when I add the concealer. So I'm not adding any more product to my angle brush, and I'm just kind of using the product I have here to move it down the rest of my brow. Adding more product because I feel like I have a spot there that needs some more product. Okay, then going back here, just making this blend into each other so it won't look like light dark. So with the same brush, not adding any more product, just kind of turn the angle brush upwards and do upward strokes. So I'm pleased with that one. And just checking the mirror real quick. My brows look differently, so I have to address them differently. This one doesn't have like, doesn't go as high as this one, so I will have to fill in here to make it mimic that. But remember, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins, so it's not always perfect, but as long as they look similar.
Tap a backward skate. Couples only, couples only. If you don't got a little bit of fake, get off the floor. Couples skate backwards. Lovers only. It's the end of the world, y'all.
That is done. I grab my concealer brush, and this is my LA Girl Pro concealer. I'm just taking like that much. And I start the back with the middle going towards the back. And so if you're uncomfortable with this, or this, you think you may mess up your brow, you can start lower with the concealer and then kind of move up closer to your brow. And then I'll go to the next brow and use the same amount of product, if not less, because I felt like that was a bit much. And then I use this brush here. I don't even know what this brush is called. Use this to blend out the concealer. And last but not least, you can use a brow gel, but I don't. I just use my what is this? Kiss mascara in dark brown. And to me, this just brings back more of a natural feel. I go for a natural brow. I don't use too much product. I don't like it to look too dark. This too. So I go with these little scissors sometimes and say, for instance, if my brow hair is really growing up here, I would just take it along here, snip, snip. These are my brows. I think I like this one the best. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, this eyebrow tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe. I said comment, share with a friend. And if you have any suggestions for brow gels that I can use that are not so expensive, let me know in the comments as well. And I'll see you guys next time.